Hello guys, so today we are going to create a simple Python code to find the area and perimeter of a given figure or a rectangle for this purpose. So first of all, go to the search bar and search for idle. Open the idle. Once the idle had opened, click on file and new file. Here our script mode will be open. So first we'll have to ask the user for the input of the length of what we are doing. So click on type in length, which is going to be our variable, equals. So we want to take the length from the user, so it is going to be an integer, so type in int bracket. We are taking input, so type in input, and we have to ask the user to enter the length. Close the input function and then the int function. Press enter. Now we want to ask the user about the breadth of the figure, so type in variable breadth equals, same like before, int input, enter the breadth. Now the next thing we have to do is to find the area. So the equation to find the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So for that, let's type in a new variable, area equals length. Here into we are going to use the star, length into breadth. Press enter. Now we want to find the perimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B, that is length plus breadth plus breadth. So type in perimeter equals length plus breadth plus breadth. So our perimeter is also okay. Now in the third part we have to type in the print function. So we are going to type area of the figure is, then put an equals, close the quotations, then type in a comma and type area, which is going to be our variable. Now on the next line we have to create a separation for this, so type in print bracket and put a bunch of underscores right there, close the quotations and the print function. Below that type in print again, then a perimeter of the figure is, then close the quotations, comma, then just copy the perimeter function and paste it there, then close our function. Now let's save the source. I'm saving it with the name of area.py. py is the extension for Python. Now once it's saved, let's go to run and run module. So here I have forgotten to put the bracket for the input function. Let's put it there and try to run our code again. We see it asks for run the length, enter the length. So I'm going to enter 6 as the length, and as breadth I'm going to enter 8. So area of the figure is 48 and perimeter of the figure is 28, which is the correct answer. Now I'll have to run the code again to find the area and perimeter of another figure. So for that I'll have to press I'll have to change the code a little bit. So first of all, cut everything, don't backspace it, just cut it, then type while space capital letter T and make it true, then put the 2 colons, enter, and paste our code that we wrote before. Tighten, make the spaces equal. Now let's save our code and run module. We can see it is asking for to enter the length again, but there is still no separation there, so let's create a separation for that. So I'm going to we can just cut that from there and enter it between this and give it the right spacing. Below that press enter, print 2 colons, type in bunch of underscores, close our bracket, copy this thing and paste it again. Now let's save the source and run it. We can see it is having proper spacing in between them. So that's only for today's video. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment, and you can DM me in Instagram personally in this ID. So thank you.